I would like to start out by saying, there's nothing more important than our good health. That's our principal capital asset. By Arlen Specter. Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where you can always get weekly updates on the best tips and resources to improve and live a healthy life. And if you are a new subscriber, you are wonderful and I appreciate you. In today's video, we'll be talking about what you can do daily to lose weight fast. When we've added extra weight, sometimes we may, for one reason or the other, have to cut down on our weight. Sometimes we might receive a recommendation from our doctors or therapists to reduce our excess weight. They are right to make such recommendations because for some of us, most of the health challenges we face are as a result of that extra weight that is putting a burden on our body system. Losing weight doesn't have to be a gruesome ask that you start to feel bad or uncomfortable with doing so. There are ways to lose weight in a strategic and smart manner. It's all about truly understanding the underlying factors on what to do. If you don't have the right knowledge to go about it, you might end up losing out on the long run instead of making any smart gains. It is recommended that losing 1 to 2 pounds a week is the most effective healthy long-term weight management. If you want to maintain your gains for the long term, then you should try to incorporate it into your lifestyle for the best benefits. However, this is easier said than done, because for some of us we try to go about it by quickly starting a strict diet program that ends up leaving us unsatisfied and even hungrier than when we started. These are some of the main reasons we find it hard to stick to a proper meal plan. Nevertheless, you should also know that there is nothing wrong with diet plans. It's the type we choose that sometimes impact us with harsher side effects than us. We should learn to stick with low-carb diets and whole foods. When we do such, it helps tackle the cravings that is usually associated with many of these meal plans. In this video we are going to be discussing some simple and natural ways that you can employ to develop some healthy eating habits or plans that lowers your carb intake and also improve your metabolic health, reduce your food cravings and help you to lose weight fast at the same time. It will be wonderful if our great viewers can smash the like button, subscribe and also hit the notification button to encourage us keep making such great healthy living contents that can benefit our health immensely. The good thing is that these are simple things you can start doing today if you want to see an early result. So take action today. First, let's start with the proper things that you should eat to encourage your ability to stick with whatever plan you choose. To start with, first you should eat food that has good quality fats, high protein and vegetables. Also, if you do take carbs, they should be complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains. According to research, when you eat protein regularly, it may assist with the improvement of appetite, body weight and cardiometabolic risk factors. Adequate intake of high-protein foods is very important as it helps you maintain muscle development and keeps you healthy while you lose weight. Basically, it helps you keep that well-defined muscle tone that gives you that healthy glow at the exterior. Of course, nothing should be taken in excess, so it's also very important to have a good idea of how much protein is most suitable for the average man or woman. For the average man, he should eat between 56 to 91 grams of protein daily, while the average woman should eat between 46 to 75 grams of protein daily. You should have in mind that this is for the average man or woman. However, for those involved in high-intensity exercise, like resistance training, they should definitely eat much more as it helps to maintain and prevent their muscle from deteriorating. When you consistently eat a high-protein diet, it can make you feel full, reduce the craving for snacking late at night and reduce our hunger pangs or obsessive thoughts about food by 60%. So where can we find such delicious high-protein foods? You can find them in meat such as pork, lamb, beef and chicken. And also in eggs, that is whole eggs with the yolk as well. You should include some fish and seafood in your diet as well, such as shrimp and salmon. And some plant-based protein as well for those who extra healthy substitutes such as tofu, quinoa and legumes. Furthermore, adding good quality source of fat is a boon to our health. You don't have to be scared about adding healthy fat to your diet plan no matter what weight loss program you're on. You can choose either avocado oil or olive oil to provide with right amount of healthy fats your body needs. Alongside fats, you should also add some leafy vegetables. They are quite delicious, plus you can eat them in large quantities without really increasing your calories or carbs. Now you can go ahead to fill up your plate with some cucumber, lettuce, kale, broccoli, cabbage and spinach. Secondly, you need to reduce your intake of refined carbs. Always make it a priority to eat whole grains and complex carbs, because they contain fiber which aids digestion and also help to feel full so that you don't easily crave for sweets. If you want to lose weight and maintain your progress over a lengthy period of time, then you need to cut back on refined carbs by making use of a diet plan consisting of low-carb intake. You should also reduce your intake of sugars, starches or carbohydrates, and consume whole grains instead. By doing so you will reduce your craving for food and your body ends up storing fewer calories. When your body is on a low-carb diet, your body will start to utilize stored fats for energy instead of carbs. Thirdly, you should do some aerobic exercises. These type of exercises helps with cardiovascular conditioning. Aerobic exercises are known to increase heart rate and the body's use of oxygen. It is very helpful in improving the physical fitness of people. Thus it should be noted that aerobic exercises helps also known as cardio can help us lose calories and burn fat. When it comes to aerobic exercise, it is important to note that the benefits has more to do with the frequency and duration as opposed to intensity. Various studies have shown that when we partake in aerobic exercises we stand a better chance at losing belly fat. However, there's still an ongoing debate as to whether moderate or high-intensity aerobic exercise provides more benefit. You can let us know in the comment section below, which does work for you. Is it the moderate aerobic exercise, or high-intensity aerobic exercise, or probably a mixture of both? Some studies have even shown that it has the added benefit of slimming down your waistline. Furthermore, it is extremely important to exercise your body daily. When you exercise, for example by lifting weights, you increase your body's metabolic rate, which in turn will assist in helping you lose weight. Working out helps us to lose weight faster. It puts your body in the right state to keep the fat burning process ramped up. If you do have that spare time, then you should try going to the gym about 4 times a week to lift those weights. And if you aren't really experienced with weight training, then you should ask a trainer at the gym for help. For some us, probably weight training isn't your thing. Then in that situation, you can try different forms of cardio, such as cycling, running, jogging, long walks or even swimming. You can mix them up for better result or find one or two that are entirely suitable for you. You should also inform your doctor if you decide to start any diet plan or training sessions. You should also know that to lose weight, you don't have to stay entirely away from consuming calories, as it can give you the adverse effect of what you want and may be detrimental to your health. You should instead make sure that your calorie intake comes from healthy sources such as healthy fat, protein and low-carb vegetables. Also, if you want to get rid of excess belly fat to complement your weight loss program and you are looking for a quick head start to jumpstart your journey, you can click the link below to get a free ebook right now that provides you with tons of information to suit your needs. So viewers, I would like for you to share with us in the comment section below, which of these tips you've tried out and how well has it worked for you in reducing your weight. Also, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button for more valuable health updates and making sure that the content is able to get to those that need it.